Hey, this is Tim. Today we got a 2014 Hyundai Accent. We're gonna be doing, well, I'm doing some other things on it. I'm doing the converter and stuff, but I'm also doing the AC compressor, which is right down there. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to take it out. And of course, putting it back on, you just reverse. First thing you wanna do, undo your switch right there, your plug in. And keep in mind on this one, all you got to think about is a 12 millimeter, because that's what you'll be using mostly. You're going to loosen this one up here, and then you're going to loosen this, and this is going to undo this belt. And then we're going to go up underneath and take the compressor off. But we're going to take these lines off too. Right there, right there. So I will show you all that here in just 1 second. Alright, we'll pull the switch off like that. Just push that button in right here. That's the side, and we're going to undo this belt. You can see there's two lines. They're going to be 12 millimeter. You got one there, then you got one there. You're going to take them out from up top. Well, we're going to go ahead and take the skit from the bottom down here. We're going to take it off, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, you're going to have a 14, which is the bottom bolt on the alternator. You will have to loosen that some. Make sure you loosen it. That's good. And of course, you're gonna loosen this one. Like I said, everything on here is a 12, more like it. Loosen this one. You can move it off now. Sometimes you gotta give it a little push. Sometimes you gotta get it a little gentle push and get it off. But now the belt's real loose. And just pull it off right there. It should come right off. And I'm gonna take it off down here. I'm gonna show you the underskirt. Okay, underneath you're gonna have these 10 millimeters. You don't have to take everything off. You just want this off. I mean this off, I'm sorry. This right here, you want it off. So you got that one, that one, that one, and then you'll have two, one, two there. So let's take those off. You just want access up under here. You really, I don't think we're going to take that off, but if we do, we do. They're all 10 millimeters. So let's go ahead and do that. See, we can see a little bit. Alright, so we'll just take that off here like that. And you'll have access underneath here. You got 4 bolts, 2 there, 2 on top. We're going to take these lines off first. I got them loosened up. We're going to go up there. If I can't get them from down here, we'll go up there and get them. And we'll take these lines off, and then we're going to take these 4 bolts out. And that's it. Okay, I was able to break them loose. That way I can just get my ratchet on there. I broke it loose from up top with a regular wrench. We'll be able to do that right there. And then we'll get the other side with a wrench. Get that one out real quick. move it out of the way a little bit. Well, we'll get to the other one. Kind of move it down there on the bottom if you can. And see if we can get it with a ratchet wrench. If not, we use a regular one. Might have to use a regular one on there. Really don't have enough on there to get it. So we'll just use a regular one on there. That. So you get it kind of, get your hand in there. Like that. All right, so that one's off now. So we'll go down there and get the 4 bolts off. Okay, you're gonna want to get the lines out of your way. I'll put one here and one over there. You want them way out of your way. And of course, like I said, you got your 4 bolts. The first one, you got to use a little small socket. You got the fan right there. The other 3, you can use a deep well, or you can use a small one like this one. I'm gonna keep this one in here just a little bit, because when it falls, it's gonna fall. And then of course you got one more up here, which I probably will need a deep well for. Let's see here. Yeah, need a deep well on that real fast. Okay, so let's undo this one. And if you can't pull them out because of the fan, you know what that means. I can't remember if you can both or not. No, you can't. So what that means is whenever you put this back in, make sure you put them 2 bolts, the 2 top bolts in before you set it up here. Because if you don't, see, and it also sits in these little grooves right here when you set it up here. But if you don't, you might not be able to get that 1 bolt in there. This one right here, see, because it's hitting right there on the overflow. So make sure you do that. So let's pull this off. All right, let's get that off of here. So we got all the bolts out. So now you just simply slip it over there like that, slip it down, and that's it. And make sure if your new one comes with oil, and if not, add oil to it. That's pretty much it. And just reverse that order to put them in, and you'll have it. Thanks for watching.